Project is on recipe management using Microsoft SQL Server by Francisco Contreras y Sergio Mendoza for a class database management system. Our faculty advisor, Tony Sena. The project requires design relationship database for recipes and ingredients, implement database creation and table design, populate data, and execute queries. Study descriptions, development of the recipe management system using Microsoft SQL Server. The system was designed to demonstrate fundamental database design principle, including normalization, relationship linking between tables. Our ultimate goal was to produce a scalable and well-structured database to simplify recipe management and query executions. Our project background, key features of our project was a powerful relationship database management system, built recipe, organize the recipe by cuisine, calories, preparation, demonstrate database design principles, include normalization and integrity, establish relationship links between tables. Our solution was to develop started with installing Microsoft SQL Server and SSMS, create a database, create the tables, ensure the data has integrity. T. Simple data will be like a spaghetti bolognese was added using an insert statement and select queries to verify the relationship. Challenge or solution lesson learned. Several challenges that we encountered were relationship between multiple tables and correcting data inconsistency. We learned to execute commands such as update, drop. We enhanced our understanding of referential integrity, and it was a hands-on experience providing a strong foundation to understand the relationship database.
So as we see here, we have all the tables, and this is the ER diagram, and we see how the tables are related. For example, this one has minimum and maximum cardinality between each other. So, like for example, recipe has many procedures, and then procedure must be within a recipe, and it's mandatory. So if we want to run some queries in this for this database, first we have to specify which database are we using. And then let's say that we want this command right here. Basically means select everything from recipes. So if we run it, it shows all the recipes that we added to the database. So let's say if we want to query a cuisine, but with the nutrition facts. So basically, we select all these columns from this table, and then we join this other table, and then we specify which type of cuisine we want. In this case, it's Mexican. So we run it, we get the chicken tacos, and we get all the nutrition facts. If we want to query a recipe with less than 800 calories, so basically we select recipe naming calories from recipes. So this comes from this table, and then we join again this table, nutrition facts, and we'll specify how many calories we want. In this case, it's less than 800. So run it, and all these recipes with less than 800 calories. Let's say that we want a recipe with the cook time, and then it's less than 800 calories. If you want to query a recipe with nutrition fact, what is the less than 100 calories, we have to specify these columns from this table, and then we join nutrition facts table. And then we specify how many calories, in this case less than 800, and we order by calories, and then ascending order. So we run it, perfect. We get all the recipes which are less than 100 calories, and then it's in ascending order.